The public squabble is a little bit unseemly. I don't think people want to know about internal party rows. But having said that, it was the decision of the Constituencies Committee of the Fianna Fáil National Executive that took the decision. Micheál Martin himself is on public record as saying that he stayed out of the process. So I don't think that argument stacks up at all.
Are you in the old boys brigade?
Well, I don't consider myself old. 53 years of age. No, I don't think there was an old boys brigade operating in this instance. I feel I got a fresh mandate from the people last year in the local elections, so I don't even consider myself old guard, so to speak. Politics is a tough game. There was a lot of speculation right through the summer that I would be added to the ticket, so I don't think it came as a surprise to too many people. But I think a little bit of competition within parties is a good thing. It's certainly good for the electorate, whatever about the candidates, and I think it gives people a choice. It's a big constituency. Fianna Fáil are presenting a man and a woman in compliance with the gender quota legislation. So I can understand why Deirdre would be upset personally, but I think it's time to move on and everybody get on with the campaign.
Have you spoken to her since you were added?
Well, we're on both on Dublin City Council together, so we're quite pleasant to each other. We work together in that regard.
But have you spoken to her?
Yes, I have, but only.
Spoken to her about this is what I'm asking, really.
Not really. No, I think we'll let the dust settle a little bit more on that.